WNYT, Albany, in HD. News Channel 13, live at noon, begins right now.
There is a unique art show coming up in the Capital Region, and the most interesting part, the artists themselves. We'll explain. We often hear the phrase people with disabilities, but today we're focusing on their abilities. Chip Eisenman is the CEO of Sunnyview Rehabilitation Hospital, and Jim Nolan is a former patient and chair of this year's Art for the View event. Thank you very much for joining us, gentlemen.
Thank you for having us.
Well, let's start. This is a very unique art exhibition coming up in October at Sunnyview. Chip, tell us a little bit about how an opportunity like this exhibition speaks to the mission of Sunnyview.
Sure, Beth. The mission at Sunnyview, our mission is to improve the lives of people with disabilities and the lives of their families, so this is a natural for us. The Neuro Rehab Institute at Sunnyview treats brain injured, spinal cord injured, and stroke patients from all around the region every year. We find that the art program can be inspirational to them and their families.
And of course, you're the only one that serves this population in the Capital Region. Correct. One of 4 statewide? One of 4
statewide. We admit patients from all over upstate New York and neighboring states. Last year, we actually admitted patients from 40 different counties in New York State and 10 different states.
And of course, this is very unique. If you have a spinal cord injury, blindness, MS, your ability to do art has to be customized.
Exactly. In the stroke patients, spinal cord injured patients might have to overcome movement disorders or lack of movement. As you said, vision is an issue, and many of our patients find this very therapeutic and inspirational as well.
I'm sure they do. Now, Jim, you are a former patient at Sunnyview, currently a business professor at Siena College as well.
Yes, I am.
Tell us a little bit about the accident, your recovery, and how art has played a role.
Sure. I was bicycling on a bike path and coming down a hill, and I didn't make a turn. My bike stopped all of a sudden when I went on the grass, and I flew over the handlebars down a 16-foot embankment and landed on my head. I damaged 4 vertebrae in my neck and severely injured my spinal cord. So I was brought to Sunnyview a week after the accident, after surgery, and I was at Sunnyview for 4 months. And during that time at Sunnyview, I worked with doctors, nurses, physical therapists, occupational therapists, on doing exercises using different equipment. I walked in I was rolled into Sunnyview, having very little movement in my limbs, and I left 4 months later being able to walk short distance with a walker.
Now, talking about the art event, which is, we should say, during the entire month of October, any member of the public can come in and view or buy this art. And tell us a little bit about how it was a stiff competition to be displayed.
Well, it's a juried exhibition of art. We had people submitting art from all over the country, and about 50 pieces of art were chosen.
And we're seeing some of these now.
And
Beautiful.
These pieces of art are all done by disabled people. They're displayed during the dinner that we have. And then some of the pieces of art are for sale for people for their own collections, and other pieces of art we'd like people to buy for the Sunnyview collection. Sunnyview has a beautiful collection of art.
Right. And a final word from Chip. Some of the proceeds will help boost the technology at Sunnyview.
Yes, the proceeds this year have been targeted for an item called the In-Motion Robot, which is really new technology available. It helps patients who have suffered a stroke or neurological disorder regain control of muscles that otherwise, it's very difficult. So it's great technology, and we think it's great for this event.
All right. Well, we'll have more information on our website, WNYT.com. Chip Eisenman and Jim Nolan, thank you very much for joining us, and good luck with your event.
Thanks.
You're welcome.